You have probably uploaded a YouTube video and then started getting comments you don't want, like spam, hate, or just too many messages to deal with. Maybe you want more control or just to focus on your content without distractions. The problem is YouTube doesn't clearly show where the comment settings are, and many people get confused trying to find them. In this video, I will show you the simple and exact steps to turn off comments on any YouTube video. I will keep everything easy and clear and quick so anyone can follow along. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, then go here to content. Go ahead and choose the video that you want to turn its comments off, then click on this icon that says details. Scroll all the way down here. You're gonna find comments, then click here and you can select pause or off. Once you've done this, click on save. And this is how you can turn comments off on a YouTube video. If you have found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.